up guys, this is Miss Coco and today we're going to go over how to create your own FlipGrid video so that you can submit videos instead of having to take tests and quizzes. So much fun. Let's do this. Awesome. So let's go ahead and get started with how exactly to navigate through FlipGrid. So FlipGrid is a cool way to turn in video responses to different discussions for our assignments. So it's a cool way for me specifically to see how you're moving and how you're learning to, move your body. So if I go here to flipgrid.com, it's going to look a lot like this. Cool, so I'm going to pretend I'm a student like you, and when I get to this page, I'm going to look for enter and join a code. So the code that we're going to use for today is BAD573B7. So I'll put BAD573B7. So that takes me to the FlipGrid that I made for you students. I'm going to join with Google, making sure that I use my Google account. Awesome. Now that I've logged in, I'm going to read what the prompt says. So this prompt says, let's try FlipGrid. Read about the Derby fitness test, then watch the video Ms. Coco provided. Once you're done, it's your turn to try. Film yourself completing the exercises, then post your video here. What was your suggested difficulty level? Be sure to add it in your video. So if I were one of you, I would go here to record in response. This is assuming that I already read the article. And I gave you 10 minutes to record your video. So click anywhere to dismiss. Wow, I look. Let's not even go there. Okay. So 3, 2, 1. I'm pretending I'm doing burpees. I'm pretending I'm doing the push-ups. And I'm pretending, I'm doing the sit-ups. 1, 2, sweet. So those are the 3 exercises you're going to be doing in your videos. So let's pretend that I'm all done. I'm going to pause it. I have the option to add effects if I wanted to. Let's try a filter, because maybe that'll make me, wow. Nice, I like it. Sure, why not? What else do we have? So you can mirror your videos, you can record your screen, sweet. So there's a whole bunch of different things that you can play around with for your own videos. So let's pretend I'm going to submit it. I'm pretending I'm doing burpees. You can see how your video turned out. After, you're going to take a selfie that will go along with your video. That's my selfie? No way. Let's try again. So much better. Next. We're uploading my video, my name, and you can put my video submission. And then you'd submit it to me. Success. Now if you want, you can download your video. You can download your selfie if you really like it. You can share your video with other people. And then once the rest of your class has finished uploading their videos, theirs will be here too. Kind of like Instagram. And you can like it. I'm gonna like my own because I'm cool like that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Then you're all done. So that's how we use FlipGrid. Hope you like it.